Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on Devlin's 2023 Subaru Outback XT Wilderness. We're putting in front door speakers and along with sound deadening in the front doors, according to Uncle Charlie and the internet. That's the first step you do. See if that's what you like, and then add on from there. So, join us. So the first step is to stick a pick in here, and then this panel comes off, and then a pick in here, and then that comes off, and there's a Phillips screw there and there. And then pretty much Subarus have gone unchanged for years, and you pull the whole panel off.
The thickness, I can't remember which thickness it is. It's pretty much, it's nothing like super thick, but it's super easy to work with, and it's a little cheaper than the name brand stuff.
Because it's a little bit thinner than?
No, they come in like different thicknesses, but when I look, this thickness aligned with, I can't remember there's a couple other like main brands for sound deadening that you can just go to Best Buy and grab. They align with that, but that stuff comes in rolls. I hate working with the rolls, so finding the pre-cut sheets is nice, because when I was doing my truck, I found out that I could take just these sheets and drop them in the door panel like that, and it was just fine. And then if the crossbar went across, I would just cut on the bar, and it was a piece of cake. So. And then you have the Silas foam.
Oh, that's foam, okay.
Yeah.
I did not know that was just a foam.
This is the stuff, I've used this and this on 2 cars that I've done so far. And for the speakers, went with the JL, I guess it's a C1 690s. A lot of the Subaru guys recommended these. I don't understand with the RMS wattage and how it works, but these will project more volume at a lower input level, so it's good for a factory system, but you're not putting like 100 watts per speaker, you're putting like 20 or something. So this has a better frequency response. More
bang for less power.
Yeah. So, but these are the ones that several people recommended. So we'll see.
Get that little lip up.
Little lip up?
Yeah.
Which little lip?
Probably the handle one.
Here's my fingernail. Which is funny because I don't have fingernails.
Where'd the pick now? It doesn't work with the pick?
I don't know how.
There's that little tiny hole, and
Yeah.
you just go in there and pluck it.
If you just want to stick like an underseat stub in there, that's not a lot of work.
Yeah, but doesn't it have the factory sub location? Is the wiring potentially just there?
That's what I wanted to find out.
It's hard questions. All right, are we putting the exhaust on here?
Yeah, that's it.
And wow, look at that speaker. That is.
That's the only thing I've changed.
I think there's more cardboard in the box all this came in than this. That speaker, Charlie.
Which speaker?
It's more plastic than speaker. It's like it's all oval, like, yeah, this is the big speaker, and this is like
It's really disappointing.
yeah. It's like what a base model should have, not
Yeah.
a wilderness edition, not a premium edition like
The
this.
speaker upgrade for this is the Rockford Fosgates, but it's like an additional part.
How am I supposed to go off-roading and listen to John Denver with these stock speakers?
Well, John Denver's from the 80s, so you need to listen to an 80s speakers. It needs to sound
That's
80s.
what those basically are.
Yeah. So the speaker is like smaller than a. Yeah, that is.
It's a dog dish bowl.
That is a really tiny.
What do I even do with these? afterwards.
The trash can is outside.
No, we gotta leave it in the yard.
Yeah, like you can put it next to your muffler over there. It's been there for a year.
Yeah, it's pretty wide.
Broke it off. So.
I forgot about it. I was going to shot the intro. I was going to be like, remember that last time Devin was here? And that's when Charlie like broke the bolt off.
Because I just broke the clip.
Everything breaks. At least once.
Yep.
They, you can give me a tape measure.
Tape measure?
Yeah, give me a tape measure.
Tape measure?
I think I can do this easily.
I'm not sure what a tape. This is it, right?
I mean, technically, it is a tape measure.
From the 70s. Just like put a little 2" by 2" square on there.
That's what I'm doing.
Should we STI swap this?
I guess it really is STI. It's a 2.4 liter turbo.
We had to get this Metra, the installer's choice, 82-8146. This is the mounting bracket for the speaker on the door. Those speakers do not come with it. And same thing, the Metra, the installer's choice, 72-8104. This is a harness kit, so you can plug into the existing Subaru harness and then plug into the back of the speaker. And the 4 screws that come with the speaker get screwed through the speaker into those plastic mounts, and then the original screws take the mount to the door.
I wonder how much Best Buy charges to do this.
I'd guess not much, because they don't do it that OCD and cleanly. I'm sure it's just one long sheet they're gonna jam, like I would do. One long sheet, jam it in there, press it down with your hand.
Do they still sell like car,
Yeah.
like
Radios.
They sell car audio and everything.
head units?
Yeah.
It was a little weird going back into Best Buy.
Yeah. What's it like?
They had like video
There's
games,
like 15
computers.
people in the store.
Yeah, it's very empty.
14 of them are employees.
Yeah.
You have a flashlight on you, Charlie? Oh, shit. You do have a flashlight on you. Wow. I was just testing you to see if you had them.
No, I got a flashlight on. I have a flashlight problem.
How many lumens?
What's the newest one I got? I can't remember.
He means the one you have in
I don't know which that one is.
I think he's bought like 15 flashlights in the past 2 months.
Returned 14 of them.
No. My newest one is 7,000 lumens. short. Oh goodness. Oh, you sit so high. I feel like I'm driving the Prius.
Okay.
All right, let's see how this thing sounds. I mean, turn it fully on, not engine on. Good thing you always have that trusty flashlight. Yeah. Maybe there's not a harness, but there's like a junction point where you would plug the harness into. Yeah, it might be a good question for those who watch this. Is the harness back there? And can you just buy the limited version or whatever touring models subwoofer and just drop it in? All right, and that is going to be a wrap for this video where Charlie basically did all the work and we watched. We put in new speakers, completely sound deadened, the front doors. Sounds a lot better. Could use a little more. We're looking at putting a subwoofer back there in the back corner, seeing if we can swap it out or not with a Subaru system that has it, and just drop it in and plug it in. But if you like this kind of content, definitely consider subscribing below. Drop a thumbs up if you like the video. If any questions or things we could do better, things we could swap out on this Wilderness Edition that will make it sound better, because the stock speaker, holy moly, look at this stock speaker. This is trash. See you next time. Peace.